All right, here we have a 7-foot umbrella. This is the white diffusion, and this is made by Westcott, and this is absolutely a beautiful modifier. For the money you spend on this, you can't really go. I call this the money modifier because there's a lot you can do with this, and I have experimented with this light a lot, shooting it just overhead, behind me, so I get in front of it. And there's a couple advantages to that. One is I can lower the light down behind me, and it fills in the sort of the shadows in the eyes, the sockets, the chin, the nose, all that. And there's some models that show up, and I have a beauty dish or an octabox, and it's in front of my camera, and I can't get it low enough. They're just really dark shadows under their eyes. So what I do is I pop this on, put it behind me, I put it back further from my subject, so I have the same quality of light as I would with a 5-foot octo at, say, 5 feet. But I can control the amount of fill under the eyes, the nose, the chin, and I don't need a reflector. And so it's a great modifier to have. This you can purchase it with a diffusion. And so this modifier right here produces the exact same quality of light as a 7-foot octo. Now, this is a beautiful modifier. Here's a 5-foot octo, which I use a lot. But again, a 5-foot or a 60-inch umbrella can produce almost the exact same quality of light as this 5-foot octo, given the fact that they're the same size and same distance from the subject. The thing is, these are a little pricey. And I don't know the exact cost of this 7-footer, but it gets up there in price. Now, here's what I tell people. Why would you spend, say, $500 or whatever for a 7-foot octo when you can get this umbrella with the diffusion for probably a little over $100? Well, here's what I say. Number one is, this is a big investment. However, this will last you a lifetime. This is a very high construction quality, and it'll hold up in the wind. If it happens to fall over, it'll hold up pretty well. The umbrellas tend to not quite last as long, especially out in the outdoors, and they get beat up a little bit. But this is a great place to start. So if you want to invest in, I would buy 2 of these, and I'll show you later how I'm going to use these. But this is a great investment. And the options you have with this is unbelievable. It's a huge source of light. And so I also use 2 of these side by side as a gorgeous cross-light Rembrandt look that really is, I say, money in the bank. So that's really the options here. I believe there's even there's ways to get even a bigger modifier, and that is to take these frames with silk diffusion and shoot through them. They can get like maybe 10 feet silks, or even a shower curtain, or anything that's got a diffusion. You can shoot light through it and create a big modifier. It just so happens that you can mount this on a light and move it around. It's a lot easier to work. So 2 of these side by side produce an unbelievable cross-light, soft light look. So there you have it on the modifiers. You get what you pay for in terms of quality, but really if you want to start out and experiment, this is a great option.